This is Swayam from DigitBean, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to create fake drone footages using Google Earth Studio. For that, you have to open Google Chrome browser on your computer, and in the Chrome address bar type google.com/earth/studio and press enter, and you should land on this page. And if it is the first time you are using Google Earth Studio, you have to press try Earth Studio. This blue color button, you have to click on it, and you'll be required to fill up a form and submit before you get an approval to use Google Earth Studio. So, and it should look something like this. You'll be asked to select a Gmail account which you will use to sign up on this platform, and select your Gmail account and press continue. Then you will see this screen where you will see this form. It's a simple form, just fill it up and press submit. Then you will land and you will get an instant approval, and you will land on this page, which is basically the dashboard of Google Earth Studio. And there are two ways to create the drone footages, and you can either select a blank project, or you can go to quick starts and use any of the project templates or presets, and just mention a location and create a quick drone footage. But in this video I'm going to show you how to customize it, all the attributes, and use the keyframes to generate the drone footage. For that, just follow the instructions and click on blank project. You can give a name of your project. Let me just name it new drone footage. You can just name it anything, and you can actually create drone footage from not only from regions in Earth. You can also create footages from Moon and Mars, but for this video we'll be concentrating on Earth. And these are the dimensions. You can also change it if you want, but I recommend not changing them. And this dimension means that the footage that you will generate, it will be of 1080p resolution, and this is the duration, and this is the frame rate. You don't really have to change this, but you can if you need. As of now I'm not really making any changes to these particular parameters. We have just renamed this one, and we'll click on start. So now we can see our editing timeline, and we have to first select a location, and let us just type in New York, USA, and select it. And you can see here in the map view, New York is pointed. We have to just use your trackpad to zoom in to the map location, and you can use the trackpad to move around, or your mouse to move around and zoom in. If you are using a regular mouse, then you can use a mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. So, and to tilt the map and change the view, you can just triple click on this map screen to see this rounded figure, and you can just simply tilt it like this. Okay, like this, exactly. So now you can see, you can just move around with this, but we have to use these keyframes. You can see here latitude, longitude, and everything, and altitude, and we have to apply a keyframe and move our camera. We'll create a movement of camera. For that, here you can see this red thing. It's called the playhead. It's in 00 right now. So we'll start from here, and we'll try to create a shot, or we'll try to create a movement of camera around the city. This skyline you can see over here. We'll start from here. So this playhead is over here, and here the beside the longitude, latitude and altitude, click on this add keyframe button. Okay, here this keyframes will be added. Then you have to move this red color playhead to any desired point. Let's say I'm just moving it to 90. Then you have to use your cursor or trackpad to move around a bit on the map. See here, we moved until here, and again we have to click on add keyframe. See, you can move this playhead to any point depending on your requirement. I'm just showing as an example. Again, I'll move it to 150, and again I'll move on the map. Try to move slowly so that the camera movement will also happen accordingly. If you move faster, then again you have to click on add keyframe. Again you can move it up to some point. Again click on add keyframe. Repeat the process depending on how much footage you want, and you can preview it all in this by clicking this previous this button over here. You can start playing it, the whole clip right from the beginning as per the keyframes you have set, and just press play, and here you can see the footage, how it is going on. The movement will happen as per the frames you have set. This is how it's going to look. So depending on how long the footage you want, you can set as much keyframes as you want. And once you are done with this, now it's time to get our final video, and you have to click on render over here. So this is the preview of the footage we just generated. This is how the final footage is going to look. So now the rendering part, it will be done on cloud. Make sure that you have a name in the name section over here for your video, and select video, which will be basically a file with .mp4 extension. And then you can also make changes if you want in the frames and dimensions, which was there at the beginning of the process, but I'm not really making any changes to them. And also here you can see there is a watermark of Google Earth. So this basically means that you cannot use this footage for commercial purposes. You can only use a few seconds of clipping in any other video as a part of that video, but you cannot just use this footage as a complete footage for commercial purposes. Okay, so that's not allowed. You may crop it out if you can. You may just crop out, but this watermark you can't really remove it. And so once you are done with the final part, press submit. You have to click on submit over here. So it might take some time, and the video will be rendered and sent to your Gmail inbox. It's the same account that you have used to sign up for Google Earth Studio. So you'll find it in your inbox that render is ready for download. It's free download, you don't have to pay anything, just press this download button and it will be downloaded to your computer or laptop, and then you can just play it using any of the video players like a VLC media player or something, or you can also use that video clipping in any other video editor and use other video clippings to create your video for social media or any other purpose as per your requirement. So I hope that you found this video useful. For more such informative videos, subscribe to DigitBeam. Thank you for watching.